Anyway, guys, the Umpumelelo is no longer cheating. Utirela, she's now living in her answered prayer. So let's get to start off today. The rest of the house is Samana Pizangaselo. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, say happy Tuesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. So before we get to Umpumelelo Mseleko, guys, the overall guys, she's angry. She's still responding to the comment section. If there's one thing, guys, we all know about Vuyokazi, those who have been following Vuyokazi and his temple from season 1, you know that Vuyokazi, she's always being on a good side on social media. People use it to defend Vuyokazi. For the first time, social media turned against Vuyokazi. No wonder why she doesn't want to take accountability what she was wrong. Instead of her apologizing to her followers to say, guys, I made a mistake, she's busy defending herself, calling herself a victim, guys, because people have always been on Vuyokazi's side. Now they can see the true colors of Vuyokazi. So to know, man, Vuyokazi, she's not perfect. People have seen Vuyokazi as innocent, so they are surprised whenever she's doing things that are not making sense. Obviously, people have to question you. I mean, you were the one who posted that video, even though you might say it was. Anyway, guys, let's get to Mpumelelo. People are asking themselves, do Mpumelelo sleep, guys? Because if you go to TikTok, he's always live, guys. People are wondering what is going on in Mpumelelo, guys. So some are happy to say at least he's no longer focusing on girls. He's busy like on TikTok, guys. They will have a conversation. Even now, if you go and search Mpumelelo, guys, he's live. Even Terele on her Q&A on Instagram story, people are asking, are you happy Mpumelelo going live on TikTok? She was like, yes, at least he's not gonna cheat on me. You know, everybody's just happy for Mpumelelo, guys. I feel like this season people, they're going to fall in love with Mpumelelo, guys. You know, Mpumelelo is becoming a man. You know, some things has changed when it comes to Mpumelelo. He's no longer that guy. Akasa happy, guys. Mpumelelo, you know, he was those guys they used to hate. You know, every time when they think of his name is this table, the first person they will say Lipobe Selassie Msumbe, guys. You know, and right now it seems like people, you know what, they're showing some love Mpumelelo, guys. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.